Hi and welcome to this really quick craft tour update. I haven't posted in a long time, and the last one I did was just an update of my table that's there, and this is just going to be a video showing you how I flipped a few things around to get more bench space. Okay, so I'll just get started. There's this part here hasn't really changed much. I just sort of decluttered a little bit, but that has pretty much stayed the same. And over here, what I've actually done is I have excuse me, I've given myself a lot more table space. So I used to have that square table in the middle up against the window in between these two 2x2 IKEA units, and I had the end unit where the lamp is. That's one of the 2x4 units, and that was in the wardrobe. And so on top of that, I had other things that are in there. I had like in the wardrobe, and I've basically just flipped the things that were out here in the wardrobe, and what was in there is out here. So I just feel that I needed a lot more bench space, and because I really only had this table, my main table, and just a little bit of room that I would have from that square table, and now I've just got a whole lot more, which I feel really cool about. So I'll swing around here. It's not a big room, as you can tell, but it's really perfect for me. I keep it tidy pretty much all the time. When I'm working, it's an absolute mess, but I can't really focus when things are really messy. So at the end of the day, I always do a bit of a tidy up, and yeah, that's how I work. So in the wardrobe, sorry, not a walk-in robe, I have those units. Now those colourful things are from Kmart, and they're really cool. Like, I absolutely love those, and I had those on top of my 2x4 units that are out here. So I've basically stacked them, as you can see, and those tubs that are in the middle hold all my 12x12 papers, like some of them anyway. And my husband's actually going to make a little unit where they can fit into, so each will have its own cubby, and I won't have to sort of lift them all off to get the one at the bottom or what have you, which is okay, because I don't really get to those a lot. And you know, when I say he's going to make me one, it probably won't be for, you know, a few months, like probably next year, to be honest. And that's okay, I don't mind. But eventually that's what that will be like. And so I've kept my inside the door punch storage as it is, because I think that's one of the best things that I've got in the room. It's a little drawing my daughter did, and that's really about it. So I just wanted to show you, have a bit of a look through the other ones if you want, but this is pretty much the room as I have now. I think most people would agree, most crafters would agree. I may at some stage, you know, change my room around again, but for the time being, I think this will be the way that I keep the room. So thanks for watching. Yeah, have a good weekend and a good 2019.